Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K Sangma, who was joined by Sports Minister Shakliar Warjri and MLAs Rongjeng Stadium and Rupert Momin, had inaugurated the construction of the Rongjeng Stadium in East Garo Hills on the 12th of October 2023. The stadium, with an estimated budget of Rs 9.25 crores, covers the development of the football ground and the construction of a spectator gallery. During his speech, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma highlighted the visionary connection late P.A. Sangma had with Rongjeng and its people. He pointed out that the establishment of Rongjeng subdivision and other infrastructures in the area reflects late Sangma's vision for Rongjeng. Regarding sports infrastructure, he emphasized that the government has allocated over 400 crores of rupees in the last 5 years since 2018, a substantial increase compared to the previous 45 years. He announced an additional allocation of nearly Rs 1,000 crores over the next 5 years to improve sports facilities across the state. He also shared the government's plan to upgrade 25 football playgrounds with artificial turf and stressed on the promotion of various sports to empower youth through ongoing programs.
Meine Rongjeng constituency tentang development rangko dakna namgapa kamra ko kakna at sinipagapa P.A. Sangma sagini dak begapa muksonganirang tumatin talo Rongjengo election as kang at sin dak begapa administrative unit chokmotan civil subdivision ko at sin matnaha yan P.A. Sangma sagini talbega pa bini magsungani mungsa ukatsam yakut nga election as kang susukat na matnaha. I would like to thank Shakliar, Warjri, our Honorable Sports Minister, for having sanctioned this particular project for Rongjeng constituency. On behalf of the MLA and all the public of Rongjeng constituency, I would like to express my sincere appreciation for your concern and for your generosity in giving this stadium to Rongjeng people who deserve this stadium and have not received the infrastructure for a very long time.
Sports Minister Shakliar Warjri affirmed the government's dedication to promoting sports in Meghalaya. He credited Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma's leadership for spearheading efforts to enhance sports infrastructure with the ultimate goal of making Meghalaya a prominent sports hub.
That I've travelled in different districts of our state, I've gone to various programs and various sports programs, and what I've witnessed and what I've seen is the talent that our youth, the talent that our children have in our state is beyond expectations. And we as a government, after seeing with my own eyes in the past 6 to 7 months the talent that our youths have, and we as a government are dedicated into working together hand in hand and to providing the best that we can for our youths in order for them to succeed in their life. And whenever I go, especially to sports events, sports programs, I always encourage our youth. When we look at it, if you look at it the past 10 years, 15 years before, sports was not a very big thing in our state. People before take sports as a hobby. And with great pleasure, I can tell you this, that in the past 5 years, under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, he's taking sports into another level.
As part of the event, the final match of the MLA Cup was held, featuring United Shalang Football Club and Barbarian Sports Club Rongjeng.
na somai ko rai achi bapaude mitchel bagen Salang United
Sudah cek ini kau ini bisa nih yang cengit. Dia kau pun sama pemain mana?